Hey guys, welcome to another video by Unfiltered Tea. Today we will be doing a step-by-step makeup look. It's a how-to video on how I do my makeup, step by step. So let's get right into it. First, I will be priming my face with this primer. So I've primed my face now and I will be doing my eyebrows first, followed by my eye shade. So let's get into it. So I will be using my spoolie to brush out my eyebrows. Now I will be taking my eyebrow pencil to line my eyebrows and shade a bit in them. Now I will take another eyebrow crayon or pen, whatever you want to call it, to shade it a little more, because I use usually two things to shade my eyebrows or fill in my eyebrows. Now that my eyebrows are done, I will be using my concealer first. I forgot to tell you this, but I will be doing a very bright makeup look, even though I have primed my eyelids. But I would still like to use some concealer on my eyelids and under my eyes. So I will be using my concealer first. I'll take my concealer, take a concealer brush and apply it with that so that I don't use too much. I will use just a bit on the eyelids so that my makeup looks brighter. My eyelids look brighter, so I'll go in with just a little bit. Now you see, this might not suit everyone, so I'm not sure if this might suit you or if a concealer suits you on your eyes. So I do recommend everyone who's out there to get themselves an eye primer if the concealer doesn't suit them, or if they do not want to use a concealer on their eyes, they should get an eye primer as well. I do recommend an eye primer by ELF. It's the Putty Primer by ELF. So do get that if you want to prime your eyes and if you want your makeup to look a little more brighter, and so that it doesn't get oily and start to lose its color and all. So yeah, Putty Primer is something that I recommend. So now that I'm done with my concealer, I will be shading my eyes. I'm doing a very new look, something that I haven't done before, the colors that I haven't used before. So let's see how it looks. So now that I'm done with my eye shade, I will be using an eye pencil to shade my waterline. I will be using a blacker one by, I think this one was by Oriflame. So I'm going to be using that. Now I will be highlighting the corners of my eyes. So I have to choose a very nice bright color, and I think I'm going to go with something. I think I'll go with blue. Let's just make this look a little more crazier. Now that I'm done with this, I will be concealing my face first, then my foundation, and then my mascara. So let's get into it. Now I will quickly do my foundation. So I'm using this other foundation today, which is this one. So I will be using this one today. Let's see how it looks. So let's get right into it. I put a little bit on the back of my hand, put it on with my little dots with my fingers, and then I use a beauty blender to blend it. First I do one side and then I do the other one. So yeah, let's just do that quickly. now that I'm done with my foundation, I will be doing my mascara. I'm using my very own, the only one I usually use, that's the Fenty Beauty one. Don't forget to go a little bit zigzag with your mascara brush, and and then rolling it. So that is how it applies equally and nicely, rather than clumping up on your eyelashes. So now that I'm done with my eyes completely, I will be contouring my nose first and then my cheeks. My nose contouring is done. Don't forget to start your nose contour right from here. Don't do it from here, it looks very weird. Start from here. You have to merge it with your eye, the corner of your eye, and then start blending it towards here. So that's how you do your nose contouring. It looks more natural, and it doesn't look as if you've only contoured this part of your nose. This makes it look more natural. Now that I'm done with my contouring, I will be doing my blush. I will be using this very nice one by Clinique. And I will be applying my brush right on top of where I contoured. Now that I'm done with my blush, I will be doing my lips now. I got these really cute lip glosses in a gift set given to me by someone. So I will be using these. I can't see the colors on it, but it's by Makeover Makeover Essentials. So let's try them out. Now on top of this one, I will be using this nice beigeish pinkish, very lightish color. So I'll use that. So yeah, once I'm done with my lips, now I will be applying my highlighter. I will be applying my highlighter right over here, a bit over here, and on my nose. Maybe just a little bit on my lips. So let's see. So now that I'm done with my makeup look, I will be using my setting spray to set my makeup. It is the Rose 3-in-1 Primer Set and Refresh. If your setting spray is not working for you, try using it as a primer. I guess it might work as a primer better than as a setting spray. So yeah, try that, and thank you so much. Hope you like my video.